Yeah. Yeah.
I think you're right.
There you go.
And then maybe you can help him because I'm not in a good place.
Let me set my bike now, real quick.
Okay.
Sorry, dude. Sorry. Jesus. My bad, bro.
You could probably move up a bit more, Dylan.
I was gonna try and get up this right here.
Okay. I'm kind of out of the way, so you do your thing. Wherever you need to go. Alright, that's good. Turn. You might have to turn.
Turn the other way. Turn the other way and go backwards.
No fucking
That's
way.
Oh, cool right there.
Yeah, Dylan.
That was nice.
Alright.
Good job,
You
bro.
want to pull this way?
Okay. With this and this way?
Yeah.
I think that's the best way.
Probably the best way, bro. And if you want, I can grab the front for you. Slide it.
Hold on, he's almost out of the way and you can just back up.
Good job, dude. Holy shit.
Boy, what a team we have today, guys. I'm really impressed with everybody. I just gotta say, for me being a terrible leader, you guys really make me proud.
Teamwork makes the dream work, baby. Woo, woo.
Part of me really wants to ram Matt for payback for last time.